right, we just finished our Something More with Chris Boyd radio show, and we've got a little something more for you because we ran out of time without getting a chance to talk about everything we wanted to on the program.
Right.
I'm here with Mike Burton from Slate Mortgage, and of course we talked a lot about mortgage topics today because we have our retirement readiness seminar series coming up. The third one is going to be on mortgages and reverse mortgages. So
Tuesday the 26th at the Courtyard Marriott in Hyannis.
So you're welcome to attend. To register, go to amrfinancial.com if you want to attend the upcoming seminar, or there's still one more after that on April 23rd where we're going to be talking about more general financial planning for retirement, as well as some portfolio strategies to relate to that.
Yep.
But for because we ran out of time on the show, I thought maybe we could just do a little extra and talk about some of the teasers of the things that people will learn on Tuesday about reverse mortgages.
Okay, so some of the topics that we got to talk about is why get a reverse mortgage, and what are the myths out there about the reverse mortgage. First of all, the title does go to family members.
The title of the home.
The title of the home. When you pass away, you've got a reverse mortgage. The title does go to family members. The lender doesn't.
A lot of people think that the
ownership
of the home reverts to,
and it doesn't go to the
bank,
lender,
as it were.
It doesn't go to the lender. It doesn't go to the bank. It goes to your kids or whoever you've left the property to. So that's number one. Number two, the cost of a reverse mortgage have been dramatically changed. They've gone down.
It used to be people thought it was very pricey because of the way it used to be structured, but they've adjusted how that works now.
They have, and it also depends on who you deal with. If they're giving you the benefit, it's usually called a credit to reduce the closing costs. We do that all the time. I'm going to show people how we do that. Number three, the different options that are available out there. You can either take a lump sum, or you can take an annuity payment, which is a monthly payment for the rest of your life.
A lot of people need that to help with their monthly cash flow.
For cash flow.
If they're late in retirement, running out of money.
Or you can do a line of credit. Or you can do a combination of all three.
The line of credit is, let's just say the money's there if you needed to do some home improvements later on or something like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Home improvements, it's either going to be an emergency or opportunity. That's usually what a line of
that's a good
credit's
way to
for.
put it. Yep.
It's available there. So reverse mortgage has a lot of benefits, and it's important to go over it. It's a newer product. It's only been around for about 26 years.
Yeah.
And just like with anything else new, a lot of people just don't understand it.
It's becoming more mainstream because the realities are, as more and more people live longer lives, as we have more people in their boomers years starting to enter retirement, not always having saved enough, don't have a pension, things like that, that it becomes necessary to start looking to where else can they access some resources. And for many people, their home is a valuable resource that can help them in their retirement if they need it.
Exactly, Chris. We talked about on the show is your home, in many cases, is your biggest asset. And being able to use that asset to its maximum potential is one of the advantages of a reverse mortgage. So we're going to go over...
And there's drawbacks to it as well. It's not that we're trying to suggest it's for everyone, a solution in all circumstances. But it's something you need to be aware of. And this seminar will be a good opportunity to do that.
There's a number of examples of clients we've had that it's just dramatically changed their life and given them hope to stay in their home. And that's usually the big equalizer right there, is most people want to stay in their home. How do they do it? If they didn't have the advantage of meeting you many years ago and setting up a dynamic plan, then there's only a certain number of alternatives or options available.
Yeah, what's available?
And a reverse mortgage can be one of them. So we're going to go over that. We're going to also go over what we do with every reverse mortgage counseling is why not do a forward mortgage? And what is the benefits?
Pros and cons to which side of that?
To either one of them. So we have a very in-depth discussion with any client as to what do we do? What are our options and what do you want to accomplish? What are your goals? And we're going to touch on a lot of that on Tuesday.
All right. So if you're interested in getting more information, either for this event on Tuesday, March 26th at 6:30 at the Courtyard Marriott, you can register at our website, amrfinancial.com, or you can always get information from Mike by going to SlateMortgage.com.
SlateMortgage.com. We've got information about the seminar there, as well as every attendee of the seminar will receive a $350 coupon for any mortgage, forward or reverse, they end up doing with us
Helping with the closing costs, huh?
Helping with the closing costs, $350 off closing
That's
costs.
a big deal. All right,
Yeah.
great. So hope to see you then, and spread the word, like our page and like this post if you get a chance, so that you can share it with others. All right, until next time, join us on the show at WXTK 95.1 FM, or you can always get our podcasts on iTunes and look for Something More with Chris Boyd, and we're on the air between 3 and 5 on Saturdays. Okay, thanks. Until next time, we'll see you then. Keep striving for something more, right?
See you Tuesday.